I'm Ali Raza, and I am going to record video with screen share for installing Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager for WordPress website. So this is the WordPress website, WooCommerce website. Here is and this is the e-commerce WooCommerce website. Here is the add to cart and checkout and purchase events. So we will set up that trackings. I am also writing a document for you. First of all, we will check that how to install Google Analytics. There are two ways to install Google Analytics. First one is that need to install Google Analytics through Google Google Analytics code direct add to website, and second one is that Google Tag Manager that I am going to discuss here. So this is Analytics. For installing Google Analytics, go to settings, and then under this property go to tracking info, then go to tracking code. This is tracking code for installing Google Analytics at any website. We can add this tracking ID or we can add this code. So for WordPress we need to install this code, and for Wix sites we need to just add this tracking ID. So this is WordPress website. For installing that code we need to go to WordPress admin settings. We need to install plugin for installing Google Analytics code. That plugin name is insert header footer. Insert header. This one. Install this. Activate it. After installing that plugin, insert header footer, go to settings and then go to insert header footer. So I am going to copy this analytics code and paste at header section and save it. So if you have installed any cache plugin, so after adding any plugin or any code tracking code, we need to remove cache, clear cache. So I removed cache from this WordPress website, and now we will check that is our analytics installed correctly at WordPress website or not. For that we need for know how we can check that any website have analytics, Google Tag Manager installation, how we can check that. So for that we need to add extension for Google Chrome, that is Tag Assistant extension. So I already added that Tag Assistant extension, this one, and after installation this one extension is added at your browser. Open website. We are going to verify that analytics code is installed at our website is correctly or not. So for that we add this extension and then enable this extension. So these are two tags are added by that code. First one is a Google site tag. Google site tag is first line at analytics, and tracking other one is the analytics code. It's mean that blue and green color mean your analytics and tag manager or any tag is working correctly. If colors have yellow and red, that's mean analytics and tag manager have errors. I will show you in next steps. So now analytics install first way that is track add code to website. So we added that code and check this WordPress analytics is tracking traffic. Right now is active user is 1. So we can also check real-time traffics. Real-time tab at analytics is for tracking real traffics and for tracking last 30 minutes traffic. We can check here overview pages, and we can check country, location, traffic source from where traffic is coming to your website, and content, which pages seen by users, and events and conversions. So I will show you. So right now I open website main page. So now here the page title, and this is the slash means a domain name, and after slash is the page's names. I will just go, I am going to this page, and we will check that it will be update up within seconds. Content, yeah, this one. After slash, this is a page URL. Slash means your website domain. So we install analytics and track to WordPress website.